Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm doing an unboxing on this HP OfficeJet Pro model number 9125E. So when you open the box, the bag has a handles. So you should be able to pull. It says to put the box on the side and then use this plastic that's around it as a handle to pull it out of the box. Okay, so I've just taken everything out of the box. You get your ink, a cord, and the cable or the manual. We got to take this blue tape off of everywhere. And there's a string here. Yeah, this tape goes down in there. Pull this out. There's some more tape. Okay, once you get the tape off, lift this up. There's some foam here. That should be about everything. Now this pulls out. You got like a tray. This is to put the paper in. Okay, here's what the back of it looks like. Now you're gonna plug the cable in right here. It's got some other ports right here. This is a Wi-Fi connected printer. Now on this side here, it does have a USB port. Here's what the top looks like. Looks like you're gonna adjust this for the size of paper. This flips out. And again, this stays up in that position, doesn't come off. There's the glass, there's the power button. Okay, so I got it plugged in. This light's on, the power light's on. I haven't pressed anything yet. Okay, so we are gonna hit the power button. Now the display looks like it's going across here. I guess it was already on. Hit the power button again. Now, when I plugged it in, that was on and that was on, so I just assumed it was off, but maybe it was on. Okay, so now we've got something, now it's working. Okay, it's kind of making some noises. I'm supposed to select English, continue, United States. Okay, so it's really not saying much. Open this door here, and now that should move into position to install the ink cartridges. Okay, so there's no real plastic. There was a plastic sleeve around it. Take that off. You're gonna slide this in. The HP is up. There's a letter K, and you're gonna slide it in the K slot until it clicks. Okay, now you're gonna take the yellow one, slide it in. Okay, so installing these is a little tricky. If you push it, it kind of pops out at you. Now when you first put it in, let's try this again. It should kind of push in and stay in. Let's try the magenta. Again, slide it in. It's facing the right. Yeah, push it into till it stays in. You push it again and it comes out. And then let's try the blue. There, they should all be nice and flush. They're a little loose. Okay, now the screen says, when you're finished with that, just close this. All right, so make sure it's all the way closed. Checking the printer. Now we do have to put some paper in too. Load your paper in. You may have to move these out of the way for the correct size paper, but you're just going to put it in here like this. And then slide this closed. Now it says checking paper. Okay, it's making a whole bunch of noise. Paper successfully located. New. Click OK. Alignment needed. So I'm not sure what it's doing now. Let's hit align. Now the blue light is still flashing. That means we've got to set the Wi-Fi up. I got my iPad here. We're going to set the Wi-Fi up after this, hopefully. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.